Some more tomatoes here. And some more tomatoes here. And some more tomatoes here. And some more tomatoes here. So the idea, believe it or not, is to take the tomatoes today and we're going to grind them up and start making spaghetti sauce with them, sauce. So we're going to get those picked when the grandkids get here probably. And we'll grind them up, we'll get them in a kettle. We might start boiling them down today or... So we got my sauce maker here helping pick the tomatoes so we can make sauce. She's going to pick all the red ones. If there's little orange, we'll leave them. She's already got like, don't drop them. She's already got like 20 in there. Wow. And this is just off the plants. So we're going to be making some good sauce today, right, Callie?
Yes.
Frank is in the way of the... So we peeled all the tomatoes here. The grandkids get them off the vine, or the vines. And then we're going to grind them up here and make some spaghetti sauce. Why wouldn't we? They twist right off of there, don't they? Everybody's hands are clean.
Yeah.
You can always do this, rinse them with this. If you think they're dirty, a little sanitizer. Come on, one hurt that.
That hurts my 20.3 pounds.
20.3 pounds.
Yep. So we'll attribute the 0.3 to the basket. There you go, that's the one I want. Because this one we just go like this. And we take that part right out. And you want it to stay like that and just cut it right out. Oh, that one's good. Papa, you ready to go here?
I think we should put some Miracle Grow on the other ones. Wait a minute. I'll fill this up here and then we're gonna grind her on down. I think they're smooth enough. Okay, Kaylee, start cranking that handle. Let's see where it goes. The other way, other way, other way. And go slow. Oh, look at that coming out. You gotta hold this down though.
You got it?
Oh, it's leaving too much pulp.
You got it straight right there?
Okay, crank her on down. Go as fast as you want.
You think you got it, mate?
Oh,
Where do you
look
go?
at
What
that.
everyone do?
Grandma, you want to hold it down a little, Grandma? Oh, that's better than cutting them, I'm telling you right now. Look how easy that is. Oh, that's mushing up nice. You gotta hold this down.
You film.
I'll hold it, but I wanted to get it on camera.
Alright.
So we got Callie doing all the grinding here. Is that hard work?
No.
Whoop.
Do you need me to hold it or you got it?
Well, it's not bolted down, so holding it is good. Oh, I hope that valve is closed. I'm watching
So,
it.
yeah.
I wanted to plug it because that's contaminated. Well, up don't matter. It could be screwed up.
Just watching them being squished.
If you want to take a rest, you can take a rest and put more in there and then come back.
Oh, I just saw the little one get squished
Your
up.
dad would like this movie because he likes grinding things like that. I wish it'd hold it down a little.
I can hold it. Oopsie. Bring that one off.
Oh, don't get your fingers too close. It's going in there.
Yeah, I'll chop your finger anyway, though.
You put some more in.
And take a break and fill it up. A lot in there. You say you got some in the house or something?
Somewhat.
Meters. Oh! You gotta wait till I'm holding it.
No, I don't have tomatoes in the house. I have ingredients.
Oh, and now I'm going to house getting strawberries
That
and
one.
berries.
Could be more in there.
Oh, here's the bad one.
So we're taking a look. Good
It says
examination.
orange.
Water.
Yeah, well,
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer.
And that wasn't a mess.
no.
Not a big mess at all. So let's see what we got in this hopper when I lift it up. You want to set it in that kettle?
Yeah.
Yeah, then I can rinse it all out together.
That's how much I squished.
Wow. So
It made me agree.
that's what we have, folks. And we'll take that in the house and we'll boil it all on down. And we're going to be adding like 4 racks of baby back ribs. Why? Wouldn't I? Smile for the camera. So we're dumping the tomatoes in here in the boiled kettle. I'll probably spill it all over. Why wouldn't I? Here we go. There's no sense really rinsing this. Besides cleaning it. And this will get on the stove. Once somebody picks it up, and we'll start the boil process. Back to the spaghetti sauce. Kaylee's gathering all the basil. Chop a mess of it.
Get all 3 of those big ones.
Yeah, chop it right down. Perfect, another one. And we're going to use my brew kettle here to make spaghetti sauce. So we got the basil. One more. Okay. And she's going to come over here and grab some parsley.
Grab a handful and cut it.
Chop some down. Put it in a pail.
You can just pick it or
Might need more than that.
pick one of these.
Cut it with the scissors.
Pick them off.
That's the parsley. All this goes in spaghetti sauce. Oh, is it gonna be good? In here and grab a handful of chives. Cut it right in. I'll hold it up and sniff it. Oh, don't snip Papa's fingers. Go ahead. Need more? Cut them low. Blow my fingers. Perfect. Put that in there.
Okay, now we're going to get some
Oregano right there. Either pull it by hand, you think, Grandma, or
Careful. Want to break off these pieces at the top here.
this is fresh oregano. You can back your way out. Huh? Once you're done. Oh, you can smell that oregano right away.
Okay.
Got the oregano.
Okay.
Of course, we got more oregano in the house. Back up.
Now we're going to pull
And then
it
you're going to pull this. Let's pull this garlic one out here. Grab it by the thing and just yank it.
all the way to the bottom and pull.
It's going to be hard. Pull it straight up. Here, hold this in. Need some help in there. Oh, that's a little one, Grandma.
Well, we got a big one in the house.
Okay, we got a big one in the house. We got enough?
Yep.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let's take one more. Let's take this one. Oh my God! That's
there's
a
a
bigger
big
one.
So we got one too big, one small.
The washing pool.
No.
No.
wash it out.
Okay.
And then we have all the spices we need.
Oh, one more.
Which one?
Grab a little mint. Always put a little mint in your sauce.
That's enough, come on. Oh, you can cut a mess up there first, then pick them up.
Yeah, I got time.
You want to blow my nose in? Sure. Careful with that knife. Can't give it to me. We'll wash it later and we'll do it again. I'll wash it off. Take another one. Oh, careful. If it fell, we'll have to put it in a cover and rinse it out again. With the
So
other
this
one.
one's cutted.
Well, we'll rinse it anyway because it might have dog hair on it.
Yeah, it does. Dog hair on the front.
We got mushrooms, onions, and some garlic braising up in the pan here. And we have a couple pounds of hamburger. And we're going to have 3 racks of ribs go into this mess. It's going to be a spaghetti sauce to remember. So this is just an olive oil here. We preheat this here, and some onions go in raw, some garlic goes in raw, and sometimes it gets done in the pan like this for a little while. Couple pounds of mushrooms, probably not enough. I'm going to dump that right into the sauce here. Going in nice. Get my big beer spoon with a wooden one. So far almost everything's from the garden here. And I ain't going to let it burn. I'm going to go up slowly. Chives, oregano, onion, parsley, ready to go in the boil kettle here, and basil and something else, mint, basil and mint. I'm sorry. And we add more to taste here. We like to get this sauce going first. Of course, we'll see what we end up with here. We got about 4 gallons, 2 gallons, 3 gallons. A lot more to go. We got water to add and tomato paste. There's a mess of tomato paste I'll dump in right now. It's going to have to be stirred. You need my big one. Look at the globs that are coming out. There you go. And there's our Italian sausage. It'll be going in there once we cut it up. We brown it up, raise it up a little bit. Now wait till you see the ribs we're putting in here. I'm going to dump. Oh, I forget how many sausages there are here. I don't know if the wife can reach it. 10. We might want more later. She's in. Wow. This is my brew kettle, one of the brew kettles. And we're up to here by now, so we got very close to 10 gallons. And I usually make more than this, but we wanted the big kettle. so we don't overflow, and you know how that goes. We got to add more water to this eventually. And let it cook on down. And, 2 racks of ribs in here. And see if the wife's gonna splatter it all over or not. She braises it up in the pan, I guess everybody call it, brown it up a little, get some more wholesome flavor, get some flavor. Should have been sprinkled with garlic though, we didn't do that. And then we're gonna throw in, this is gonna be a long video. Let's throw in some fresh oregano again from our garden. All of it?
No.
That might be too much. Oh, okay. Get a couple pinches, and we'll do it to taste later once the sauce cooks down. We're up to the, oh shoot, almost 10-gallon mark, I'm gonna guess. Maybe 8 gallons. All right, I'm gonna braise up some more ribs, and 11 o'clock this morning. We had our granddaughter, and grandson, and most of the grandkids over here. We have quite a few. We got 8 of them. But they came over. Wife's going to put on some water for spaghetti for some reason here. So, yeah, we eat late around here at the vineyard. 9 o'clock at night. We started this process at 11. So that's a total of, oh, what's my math here? 10 hours? Sounds about right. Is that right, Mrs. Stoney?
About 10 hours.
So, oh wow, we uncovered that. Look at that steam. Yeah, we got 2.5 racks of ribs in here. Baby back ribs. We're going to clear the grease off of this and clarify it and stuff, but yeah, 10 hours of spaghetti sauce cooking from the Vineyards garden. If I sound a little like I finished off the Impeachment 2.0 today. So here's the beautiful sauce, and we got it's a 15-gallon kettle, so we're running about 8 gallons here. A few little burnt spots in there, but she's a beautiful sauce. Ribs are coming off the bone here. Let's see if I can pull up what rack it is. Yeah, my granddaughter Callie. There's half a rack of ribs there. You can see the bone sticking out the side there. See if the camera's picking that up. Look at that. And you don't get the shards when you use baby backs. If you do these other, oh, look at this. Oh, it fell right off. Fell right off that meat. We are working the sauce here, getting it in the freezer bags. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already. And we mark it how much is in there, how many cups and whatnot. And we got about maybe 6 bags to go. We're doing really well. It's a lot of work making your own sauce. Here's just some of the bones we picked up out of the sauce. Some of them are still stuck together. And that's about what we got left in there. We had a total of about, oh crap, 12 gallons, 11 to 12 gallons.